Right there, stop!
We're good!
Jordan, stop!
We're good, we're good! This is how you do a close range intercept, guys.
That's unbelievable! Get out! Stay. Right here. I want to watch. I want to get a vantage point. Let's go. We're good. No, take that camera. Let's go fire. Everywhere.
This is crazy. Go look at the fucking thing. Look at it. Look at it. Look, oh my god. Fuck.
Jordan, move. Jordan, move.
We're good.
Move.
It's over the road. It's north. We're safe.
That's a big one. I have. Jordan, it's starting to fucking move.
No, it's not. We're just getting close, guys.
I don't care. I want to back off.
We're good. Trust me. I'm a pro, Bob.
I know you are.
I'm a pro.
I know you are.
You're safe now.
This is scary. Oh.
Can you bag this up quickly if something happens?
Yeah,